Hello friends, this is Avipsha. So welcome to my channel. As in summer jackfruits are available, so I thought to dedicate this video to jackfruit delicacies. So some of the health benefits of jackfruits are it is rich in fiber, antioxidants, potassium, and the jackfruit seeds are rich in protein, high source of protein. So in this video, I will cover the dishes like jackfruit seeds fries, then jackfruit kofta, and jackfruit biryani. So let's start the jackfruit delicacies. So for this, we need the jackfruit seeds. You need the dried jackfruit seeds. So cut it carefully with you may cut your fingers, so cut it into 2 pieces or 4 pieces, and like this we need to uncover it. So make sure the jackfruit seeds are the dried one. Keep it dry in room temperature in a plate for 1 or 2 days. So like this I have cut it, and now I am going to boil it in a pressure cooker. If you want to boil it in a pan, then you can boil it. So with adding little bit of salt and water in pressure cooker, it will take one whistle in low flame, and if you want to boil it in a pan, it will take around 20 to 30 minutes. With make sure the lid is covered. So yep, so right now we are gonna boil it. While boiling it, let's prepare the masala for it. So for the masala, we need 1 cup soaked rice. 4 to 4 hours you need to soak the rice, and garlic, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, ginger, red chili which is optional, green chilies. So we are going to then grind it, the soaked rice 1 cup, and salt and green chilies, red chilies, ginger, cumin seeds, garlic, turmeric powder, and little bit of water to make a thick paste. So I'm gonna grind it, and this is how the consistency should look like for the paste for the masala. So let's see how our seeds are. So our seeds, jackfruit seeds are perfectly cooked right now. I can show it to you. Just see, it is boiled perfectly with one whistle. And now I'm gonna add the paste, the masala, and mix it well. And now I'm gonna fry it. You can deep fry it or shallow fry it as per your preference. So here I'm taking the oil in an iron pan. So it is really good for the evening snack, and whatever snack you want to prefer. So this masala is actually you can use it with any type of vegetables you want, like raw banana, or and any vegetable you like. So like this we will fry the jackfruit seeds. This is, as I was telling you, this is a very good snack. You can have it with your evening snack or any type of snack. You can have it with the normal dal chawal, dal rice. It is really yummy, tasty, and crunchy. So see the crispy one. I can break it. See the, you can see the crunchiness. It is really tasty. It is really good, yummy one. First, I'm gonna take the raw jackfruit, which I have cut it into pieces. So we are gonna pressure cooker it. So I'm gonna take all the jackfruit in the pressure cooker, and add some water, and cover the lid, and pressure cooker it for one whistle. So in low flame, and Yeah, the jackfruits are properly cooked. I can show it to you with a fork. See, it is properly cooked. So now we are gonna mash it with hands. You can use a masher or a fork also to mash it. So this is properly mashed, and now we are gonna add cumin seeds, turmeric powder, coriander cumin powder, salt, red chili powder, little bit of garam masala, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, coriander, chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of besan or gram flour, and now I'm gonna mix it properly. So our paste is ready, and now I'm gonna make balls out of it. You can make tikki out of it, whatever shape you want. So likewise I will make the balls, and now we are gonna fry it. So in low to medium flame you can fry it, so that inside also it will get properly cooked till golden brown. We need to cook it. So right now it's properly cooked. Let's take it on a tissue or paper towel. So here you can see I have made tikki shape and the ball shape, so it properly crisp and properly cooked. You can have it as a snack, or you can make it in a curry. So little bit of chaat masala you can sprinkle it. It is super delicious, yummy. So in a kadai we will take mustard oil, and when the mustard oil get heated up, then we are gonna put the all the khada masalas like tej patta, red chili, and elaichi, dalchini, and after that we will put onions, chopped onions, around one medium onion, and we'll fry until golden brown. So it's golden brown now, and I'm gonna put ginger garlic paste around 2 teaspoon, and we are gonna cook it for a while, and then I'm gonna put one chopped tomato, medium tomato. So and after that I'll put little bit of salt, some coriander cumin powder, some turmeric, and red chili powder, and I'm gonna mix it well and cook it for little bit. When all the masalas get cooked, then put green chili, little bit of garam masala, and then cook it for a while. So all the masalas will blend and mix with everything, and then half cup of curd, and mix it well, so the all masala will get cooked properly. And then I'm gonna add cooked jackfruit. This one I have nothing but I have cooked it with some masalas, like the all the masalas I have prepared in the kadai. So with that I have cooked it. You can roast it a little bit in a oil and put it in this masala. Already I had the cooked one, that's why I have put it here. So you can mix it with the masala and cook it for a while, for just 1 minute only. Just mix it properly. And now at this point it's dry, so I'm gonna put little bit of water so that all masala will get mixed properly with the jackfruit. So yeah, so now we are gonna put the cooked rice. Already I have the cooked rice, leftover rice, so I'm gonna put it layer by layer. So like this we will cover the jackfruit, and after that I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of desi ghee, so it will enhance the flavor. And then I'm gonna put some fried onions, and then I'm gonna put some mint leaves. So that's it. Now I'm gonna cover the lid and cook it for uh, around 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes in low flame, because already the cooked jackfruit and the cooked rice, so no need to cook it so much. So see, this is ready now. Your biryani is ready to eat with leftover rice and jackfruit sabzi. Enjoy it. Thank you.